Hi, this is Sarah of Sites by Sarah. In today's demonstration, I'm going to show you how to customize a theme header in WordPress. You'll notice oftentimes that you can't really change the way the title or the tagline present themselves. And that's what's under your settings here when you've got your blog title and tagline. If you wanted to change the color or you wanted to use a different font, there's really not a whole lot of options. But what you can do is go ahead and create a custom header. For instance, I created one that matches the exact specifications of that header, which in this case I believe was 980 wide by 200 tall. So you can see I've used a different font, and that's kind of more what I'm interested in having here. So unfortunately you're not able to upload the file into the header. You're not able to access the upload locations through WordPress just yet, but if you have access to the FTP or the host that serves the pages, you should be able to log into the file manager and be able to access that. So what we've done here is I'm going to go ahead and log into the file manager, and I can see here, if I can get there, that I have a folder called WP Content. Inside that is a themes folder, and inside themes I can select the theme that I'm working on that's active on my WordPress site, and there is always an images folder. Double click on that to see header.jpg. Now you want to download it. If you just double click it, it will go ahead and download, and I can preview that's what the original header looks like. Okay, so that's going to download to wherever your default location is. At this time, I could just go ahead and upload and overwrite the header. I tend to just delete it if I know it's going to be a quick fix. Go ahead and delete it, select upload, choose the file from the location that it's saved in, which is in this subfolder here. Make sure that you've saved it as a JPG as well as the same size as the one that you're replacing. That's now 100% complete, so I can go back. I could preview it here if I want. What I'm going to do is just go back to the main website, hit refresh, and now I can see that one is there, but of course also I still have the old one. So I'm going to go back into the settings tab, and I noticed something kind of unusual. If you just go ahead and delete both of these, and this could be theme specific, but if you happen to encounter this, when I go to preview it, did you see how the header just jumped down lower on the page? We don't want that, because I actually want that at the top of the page. So I experimented with this a little, and I noticed if I just put like one character in either the blog or the tagline and hit save, that somehow, when I refresh the page, moves it back up. So in this case you can actually see the dot. That's not ideal. Let me see if I can maybe put a space in front of it, save it. I don't know whether that'll change anything. It did move it over, but it didn't cover that. So, kind of an odd thing that we're dealing with here, but you do have to have some kind of a character. So I can try and just hit space, 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 and hit save changes. We'll see if that works. Not sure if it will. Go ahead and refresh it. And sure enough, it didn't register, so it moved it down lower on the page again. So, well, we'll just have to have a little dot for now and deal with it. So now we'll go ahead and refresh, and you can see it's got the custom header, and the links are now in the right place. So that is how that works, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.